Yo.
If we can be looking at trade, health, all aspects of it that France and us will collaborate by your experience of New York and all those places and everything, we believe strongly that and also other third world countries, we believe strongly that you also be able to be a good ambassador of Ghana to France also for us.
Yo.
You are the ambassador of France to us. We still want you also to be a good ambassador of France to Ghana to France so that you will be our mouthpiece in relation to the sort of cooperation that we can see. So the relationship has been solid. We've been very good friends, and we have French ambassadors also coming up with very good initiatives for cultural exchanges and everything. So we're going to continue with that.
Yo.
Welcome very much to Kumasi. Welcome your team also to Kumasi, and we know that we'll be seeing you regularly. And when we also come to Accra, we'll come and visit you.
Yo.
So we thank you for coming. Thank you.
Yo.
As you said, I am here as my predecessor to continue strengthening the relationship between us and Ghana, and of course, you said the French language and Sonia's have value because it is interesting to see how important our relationship between Ghana and French, but it's not French. We are here for together, and it will be my mission. With regard to trade, Ghana is actually exporting more in France than France is exporting in Ghana. So, as you said, as an ambassador, we will really continue to work on that. And in other areas of the development, we have the systematic idea for the IFD, and we know all the projects we are having here. There is to health, there's to energy, there's to agriculture, there's to sanitation, and something very important for us, and you have the colonel here. We were working closely with the authority when it's come to illegal mining and all the so you can trust us. I am here as the French ambassador to Ghana, but I will definitely be the ambassador of Ghana to France. So again, without you, that's if you're seeing us all of us, and with my team here, Christine, Lemon, Marina, and all those family, we will be working closely and actually supporting. I am enjoying it actually. Thank you. It has been 6 months now.
6 months.
6.
How time flies.
It's definitely very, very, very good. But I am doing well.
Very short in March.
That's the end of March actually. So then, I was here. I introduced my team, those who could make Christine Battisti. He is the political advisor of the embassy. Clémentine Garbi, she is the director of the IFD. We were talking about development, all the projects they have, including the cash, that's a lot of fund to really can efficiently manage their work and some others. She is really the one when it's come to energy, infrastructure, agriculture, and she's working very closely with the embassy and the Ghanaian Institute. So I have a list of projects and programs, but it is too long and I don't want to use extra time. We will come to that later. Of course, our dear Sonia Woodman, you know really very well, leading the director of the Alliance Française of Croatie. And Opemsuo, I know how the royal family was determinant and crucial for the creation of the Alliance Française, so merci for that. Sonia did a great and still doing a great, really great work in here. Unfortunately, as you all know, she may be leaving us this summer. She cannot be replaced. She is irreplaceable, but she will have a successor, Mrs. Morel, and for the opening. And we know how French culture, language is important. Opemsuo. Colonel Gregor Madeleine. I was talking about the illegal mining and really everything we were doing to try to support the community at their request in here. Actually, not so long ago in the region, there were a training session between French and Ghanaian military because we are facing the same issues when it's come to illegal mining in Guyana. So we are collaborating closely and we are doing so with other countries in the region, Gabon, and then we really hope that we will have Ghanaian coming to Guyana because we have a lot to learn to their practice, their experience in this skill as well. So when it's come to support too, exactly, and we know how security is important. So at the request of the Ghanaian authority, and we are definitely having this action plan of action to support any request when it's come to security in the region.
We appreciate that support. Something that is affected.
Clara Martin, she is one of my advisors in economical matters. Opemsuo, you were referring to the trade, and she is the one I ask. She has a year to make France have more exporting to reverse the situation. But mostly she's doing her best, supporting the French company. We have some in Kumasi, some seafood companies, which is very important in France. We have now the catalogs settling in Kumasi, in the offices, and some other companies. So she's working with another person who unfortunately is in France, and they are really very great economical and trade advisors. So very good. Mrs. Marine Labille, she is one of my great advisors when we were talking about cultural and part of the cultural matters, the cooperation. We have a great cooperation with the university. Very, very great cooperation with the university. And we are partnership when it comes to artificial intelligence, which is definitely one of the important universities working with the university in France. So very, very, very important university in France. And she is also really supporting when it comes to cultural exchange between Ghana and France, you emphasized earlier. So, alongside myself and the rest of the team, I'm sure that she is going to continue working and see what we can do. And Mrs. Fanny, I'm trying to be someone a bit visible. She is helping with Christine Battisti. She's the one who's advising. She's been working on the media, on the image of France in here. So I am listening to her very carefully because she's working with Christine to say what I'm allowed to do or not. I'm sure that after this meeting they will tell me everything I did wrong. With your protocol. I'm sure about that, but I'm ready. I'm learning and I'm important. Opemsuo. So Mr. Prince, who is the new president of the Alliance Française here for Diplomacy, and I am very happy. Actually, this is the first time I'm meeting him. I was looking for, not looking for the way I was looking for Opemsuo, but still, I was looking for. Others wouldn't come because they are in France training, but you have the best of my team. They're all great, but this is here because they took one day, the day off, to come specifically and to present you our full respect. Grazie.
Thank you very much, and I welcome you all.
Joe,
We strongly that you give all the support and encouragement to give a very successful team.
Joe,
And to showcase also the good of France to them
Joe,
in terms of collaboration. We in Ghana here look at France as a very good partner.
Joe,
We look at the support that has always come from them in terms of support and education, cultural ties. So it's really making it possible for her to work. When we need something, it's you that we are going to talk to her so that we make it possible for her to be able to make it ready to fruition.
Joe,
We thank you, especially in agriculture. That's something that we need. Irrigation and all those things. Those are so important. If we want to collaborate in agriculture, that is the mainstay of the economy. So those are the areas that we want the collaboration between and support for small farmers and all that, because that is where we can then, if we get them cooperative farm, 1 acre, 2 acres, 3 acres, and all that, 10 acres, they still bring it back together. So from feasibility right up to
Joe.
implementation, we rely on you to support us in terms of action. As for the political one, we know she's there to do the politics of it, and therefore the relationship between France and Ghana, you look at it from your angle and see whether we are doing the right thing. And therefore the recommendations will come from you to her.
Joe,
And she's doing it great.
So we thank you very much for coming.
Joe,
I knew it was a holiday, but for the ambassador to have said that I'm coming,
Yo.
and then it shows how it means to her to be able to come to.
Yes.
Thank you for coming today. Thank you very much.
First, may I ask your permission to leave? And maybe Medasi. Thank you.
There should be a member